What's up, guys? Finally, it's the day. We've got our new wheels and tires ready. I am gonna go pick them up because I'm putting them on myself, and this thing is gonna look a whole lot better and hopefully a whole lot different. So let's go, let's pick up the wheels and tires, but I won't be going in this because I can't fit 5 33s in here. So I've got something else we can take. And this is what we'll be taking. We got the old Sprinter 250. Yeah, with the diesel and the Turbski. So hopefully we get there nice and quick. Go grab some tires and we'll be back soon. So let's hop in. Let's go. And go get some tires. All right, let's see what the old girl's got. Not much. And here we are at the old 4-wheel parts. And yes, we do have 4-wheel parts in Canada for all you guys watching in the States. Well, there you have it, guys. There's all 5, 2 in the front, 3 in the back here, and they are looking good, nice and meaty, just what we need for the trail. And they are 33 12.5s by 15s. Lots of sidewall, but lots of nice sidewall grip there. And let's see. And date code 5120, so 51st week of 2020. These are nice and fresh, not like my 23-year-old ones that I've got at home, so it'll be a lot better. Now, let's get back and let's get these home. Sweet, we've got our wheels and tires home, and I've also got matching lug nuts. And before I forget, in the Sprinter still, I have all my center caps. And 5 center caps. So let's grab these. There we go. Now we've got everything, all 5. They were not cheap, let me tell you that much. But let's go, let's get rid of this thing. Let's bring this back. Let's get the Jeep and let's start slapping some tires on. And back in the TJ now. Let's head over there and let's grab ourselves some new tires. And we're back. Now, for anybody getting confused as to what's going on, this is my parents' house. That's why I have my toolbox. And I've got Susie, my SV650. If you guys don't watch those videos, it's from my moto vlogs. And it's a little hard to show you guys right now, but there she is. There's that beautiful blue tank. Cannot wait to pull this girl back out. Another week or 2 and I will clean this garage, pull her out, and slowly get ready to go and start riding again. And let's turn my lights off. So now I guess we shall start with the front. Put a brick under the buck here so we don't roll away. And let's start. I'm gonna start jacking it up and we'll get going. we're halfway there. She's looking a lot better, and I had to redo the one on the passenger side because I forgot to put in the center cap. I learned that they go from the inside, so yeah, but we got her on there and it's looking a lot wider. That's what I'm talking about. Now that's some tire poke. Let's get the other two on and the spare, and then we'll see how she really looks. Well guys, we got the wheels and tires on, but as you can see, you can't see. So I've got an idea. And here we are. Now check that stance out. Looking a lot better. A lot more poke, which is how I like it. And I think that they look great. I know that it's a little hard to see in here, but it is nighttime, so it's a little bit hard, but once we get back to the garage where we usually do all the work and park, I'll show you guys a little bit more. Should have a little bit better lighting. Now the spare, unfortunately, I was not able to mount because it got in the way of the bumper, so I'm gonna have to get a spacer or something and then put some pucks behind here so that it actually mounts up properly. But so far, so good. It looks a lot better. Now let's get it back and I can actually show you guys a little bit better. But I washed off all the grease on the wheels that was there from mounting, and honestly, it's looking great. Came back to my place so we can get some better lighting in the garage. And look who's here to greet me. What's up, Casper? Good boy. What's up, big guy? Now let's go downstairs and let's check out those new wheels. And here we are, guys. Sorry if the audio is a little bit different. I'm using a different camera for this just because it does better in low light, so you guys can actually get a good shot and a good visual. But check this thing out. She is looking mean. Big Bird is finally big. Now, as I mentioned, I still have to do the spare. That is because it is still not fitting. I need to get a spacer and actually get it to fit on there, or I need to get a new tire carrier. But for now, I'm gonna get a spacer and put some pucks in between, just so that when I do tighten it down, it's tight against the actual tailgate and we don't have any issues with it like flopping around and stuff like that. But check these out. These are some big chunkers. These are what we've been waiting for. They look great. They're sitting great. And I got the ProComp aluminum 7069s. These, in case anybody is wondering, are Super Swamper TRX US mud terrains in a 33 by 12.5. And we're running a 3.75 back spacing on these rims, in case anybody was wondering. The poke is great. They honestly sit amazing. I'm really happy with how they sit, and I'm super happy with the stance. Hopefully I can get a group together for this weekend and we can go and try them out on the trail. But so far, I don't know if anybody's actually going off-roading this weekend, but I'm sure I can find a couple people willing to go. Now, one thing I will mention about these tires is they ride amazing. I honestly cannot tell you how good they ride. Before I had some vibrations because the tires were out of round and they were also cupped. Now it's like night and day. Honestly, the Jeep rolls smoother. I have to rev it less off of the line, and there is no really drivability issues that I could tell you. It honestly drives the same, if not better. I don't have a lack of power at all. I don't know what gears I have because I went to go check my tag and it was painted over, so I couldn't tell you, but honestly, it drives great, and I don't think I have any issues with the rubber. Now look at that sidewall. That is gonna grip great when we're off-roading. And these lugs are like as thick as my finger. Like I'm telling you, they're almost as thick as my thumb. They are crazy. And I am super happy with how these tires look, how everything came out, the stance, the poke, everything. Just super happy. Let me know if you guys like them. Let me know what you guys think. I got Super Swampers because the last set that I had on here were Super Swampers, and honestly, they were great. They were just out of round and cupped, but off-road, they performed great. So I wanted to get a new set to see exactly how they would be. And it's like night and day. On-road, they make no road noise. They don't make any kind of vibration. They ride great. They don't slide. Well, it's dry outside right now, but I'll let you know in the rain. And honestly, I love them. So guys, I'm super happy with how it turned out. It honestly looks great. I am super stoked to take it off-road. I cannot wait. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys like the stance. I hope this is all you guys have been waiting for, because I honestly love it and I think it looks great. But let me know what you guys think, and if you guys want to see anything else, because there's tons more mods coming. I'm going to be doing the links. Somebody mentioned that I should get JKS quick disconnects. For now, I think I'm gonna disconnect the links completely, drive around with like that and see how it works. I know a few people that drive around like that in my group and they haven't had any issues, so we'll see how that goes for me. And yeah, I've got the light bar still to put on and a few other things, so don't worry, this build isn't done yet and we will be testing it off-road a lot. So trust me guys, you wanna stick around for that because it's gonna be nuts, and I cannot wait to go out there and test this thing to its full limit. But that being said, I think it's time to wrap it up, guys. This is the end of the day. It's been a pretty long day. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are new around here, jump down there, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. See, I am tired. I can't even talk anymore. So drop me a comment, drop me a like, because it helps out a lot more than you think. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. So until then, ride safe out there. Peace.